Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. आज हम बनाने वाले हैं एक hearty, wholesome breakfast that will keep you fuller for longer. This power-packed combination is inspired by my British Punjabi husband who loves his scrambled eggs with baked beans. So, I thought, why not make it with a slight Indian twist? And I came up with this Rajma and Egg Toast. This breakfast recipe is a perfect blend of fiber and protein, और मैं आज यूज करने वाली हूँ इसे और यमी बनाने के लिए Nutralite Garlic and Oregano, जो ओमेगा 3 से लोडेड है और जिसमें 0% कोलेस्ट्रॉल है. तो चलो, let's get started. तो राजमा बनाने के लिए we use oil. A teaspoon of jeera, a pinch of ajwain because rajma tends to get a little gaseous, one medium onion, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Once the onions have browned, add one big tomato. तो टमाटर के पकने के बाद we add a tablespoon of rajma masala or chole masala. Now you add in the rajma. So we've soaked the rajma overnight and we have given it 6 whistles and cooked it. So I don't want it to be too watery, but we use the same bit that we've got out after cooking the rajma, just around 4 tablespoons of the same rajma ka pani. I love using fresh red chilies, lekin if you think you want to go easy on your stomach early morning, you can just add a bit of paprika. So a teaspoon of paprika, 1.5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, half a spoon of jaggery sugar, salt, more pepper, and your rajma is done. तो अब आप इस पे लिड डाल के इसे साइड में रख सकते हैं while we get on with our scrambled eggs. So for 3 eggs, you need like half a cup of milk, maybe lesser. I'm using almond milk. अच्छी तरह से उसे फेंटिए. Now you add your garlic oregano Nutralite to your pan. The trick when you're making scrambled eggs is that you shouldn't overcook them. So once you see that it's coming together, you should switch off the gas. Okay. So while our scrambled eggs are cooking, we just add Nutralite garlic oregano on our toast. By the time it reaches this point, you know your eggs are cooked. Switch the gas off. So you take your rajma now. Now just spoon out your rajma mixture and just place it on top. Add the salt and pepper. Okay, Garnish it with some coriander. Voila! So your Rajma and egg toast is ready. If you're really bored eating the usual eggs every day, then you can kickstart your day with this unusual dish. And the best part is that it is a power-packed protein breakfast with the Rajma and the eggs and enough fiber that keeps you satiated for much longer. तो जल्दी से इस डिश को ट्राई कीजिए और मुझे बताइए कि कैसा रहा ये टेस्टी एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. Until then, स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.